Hi, are you fascinated by latest technologies and innovation? Is injection molding your cup of tea? Then you would definitely be interested in our latest Comprex product called ToolClean, which we developed with Crossmafy. So what is ToolClean? Simply put, it is a cleaning equipment for your mold cooling channels. What's so special about it is that it's the world's first cleaning equipment that can connect to your mold cooling channels through your injection molding machine. Based on your use cases, you can decide how often and when to clean your cooling channels. And this is exactly your advantage. ToolClean is system integrated and brings you process stability. It brings you the concept of preventive maintenance for your cooling channels. ToolClean can also ensure stable cycle time through effective cooling of your molds. It also reduces part rejection and also machine downtime. It works against biofilm and microfilm-induced corrosion. One major advantage here is, since we do not use cleaning chemicals, it does not damage your cooling channels, and it does not damage your very expensive injection molds. Here are a few more perks of having ToolClean. It can additionally clean your machine cooling lines, flange cooling line, and modern temperature control units. Imagine the enormous amounts of energy savings you can achieve by having a machine cooling line without microfilm-induced corrosion. So you might be wondering, what is this sophisticated model in front of which I'm standing? We have built this up to simulate cooling channels in an injection mold. We use metal balls and magnets to simulate deposits in your cooling channel. With this model, I'll demonstrate to you the effectiveness of ToolClean in your cooling channels. I will also demonstrate to you two other competing technologies called water flushing and air water flushing. Let's start with water flushing. As you can see, with water flushing, you can feel the high-speed water flowing through the cooling channels, but the deposits are not taken away. It looks kind of boring, but let's make this interesting. Let's try the next technology, air water flushing. With air water flushing, you see there is more dynamic in the pipelines, but the deposits still remain where they are. It does not get the job done. I will present to you now ToolClean. What do you think? Will it get the job done? Let's check it out. You can see there is more dynamic in the pipelines, and the metal balls which simulate deposits are taken away in a very few seconds. It's been thrashed left and right, and it's taken off. So now we know which technology to place your bet on. So, ToolClean can effectively clean your cooling channels. With the right setup, it can also clean your machine cooling line, flange cooling line, and modern temperature control units. It fights against biofilm and microfilm-induced corrosion. And one more thing, our ToolClean looks really awesome with its metallic look. So what are you waiting for? We look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.